tayo. Okay, gutom na. First batch. Kain. Sarap. Talbos kamote. Kain. Asim. Hap. Talbos kamote. Mabilis ang kain lang to. Wow. Yan tayo, bomboradyo. Bomboradyo. Ayun, may sili pa, oh. Kain tayo. Baboy ng lechonero. Sarap. Oh man, so good. Mabilis ang kain. Kulay. Talbos kamote. Kain tayo mga kalitsyon. Parang patay gutom lang. Sarap. Talbos kamote. The best ang sinigang ko. Asim. Yum. Baon-baon. Oh man, the best.
You're at a salary, what, 50, 60,000? You know, in that area, you'd be responsible about 3% of your salary. Couple hundred grand.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can't even you overpaid by
The best.
now, I didn't want my kid to be outside.
Ang tinatawag na lamon. Sitaw. Sitaw. Eh.
I'm paying my child support. You can't pay her half. I should get full custody.
Mm.
Judge Mathis rule. Find out when Mathis Court returns. You're watching Mathis Court with Judge Mathis. Emotional consideration. Blinded by
Humana Medicare Advantage plans. Carry this card and you have the power to unlock benefits beyond original Medicare. These are convenient plans that offer all of the benefits of original Medicare, extra coverage and benefits. With Humana Medicare Advantage plan, you could get doctor,
Kailangang mabilisan ang kain.
prescription drug coverage in one convenient plan.
Sinigang, sinigang.
Hundreds of prescriptions. Most plans include routine dental, vision, even hearing benefits. There's also a
Aha.
on your out-of-pocket medical expenses. That's more than you get with original Medicare. And Humana offers $0 or low
Ginit.
fees.
Ah.
So call now to see if there's a plan in your area that could give you extra coverage and benefits. A knowledgeable, licensed Humana sales agent
Sarap. Ah.
will enroll over the phone. Call today and
Ah. Tignan natin ng talbos kamote at sitaw. Yan o.
Judge Mathis. What you doing for me?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
In that 6 months, he made $2,806.
Para may lakas.
I was saying when I was at the gym, I saw an ad where, you know, guys who went to the gym were looking for, you know, some breast milk. And it helps them with protein and things like that. Really? Yeah, it does. And so, actually, yeah.
Mm.
I have to admit, I don't.
One time, big time na meal. O, so maya, gym tayo. Mm.
So I was selling that for like $10 a bag, and I made $480 a month.
Wow.
And I used that money to help support the kids. Yeah, I believe so. Based on what she's even said, gave her 1,800 a month.
Yeah, so yeah, I had to dip into my savings to still buy clothes, diapers, shoes, bottles. I had to make it full time.
He used the money appropriately. All right. Yes,
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Patay gutom lang dating. Gutom eh. One time, big time na pagkain. Mm. Boss. Talbos kamote. Aha. Aha. Talbos. Ah, man. Thank you, Lord. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ah, super good. Super, super. Boss ang kanin. One time, big time. Mm. 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 The best. Mm. That's it. Thank you, Lord. Busog, 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 busog. Ah, sarap ng sinigang ko. The best. Pinakahuli, gupin ng sabaw. Best. Oh my goodness. Time is up. Okay, back to work. Thank you, Lord.